Hello friends, welcome to Arshit Stock Business News. Friends, today we are going to see the latest updates regarding with Tanla platforms. Friends, who are following our channel, they already know about this company in detail, but I am today giving a brief. Friends, Tanla platforms, the name changed from Tanla Solutions and the company which is working on blockchain and CPaaS, the main ingredient of telecom uh, operations in India, which was imposed on 2018, a statement every SMSs and telecallers to register as a blockchain leverages technology. So, with that, Tanla platform given an extraordinary product which is Tublorg, which works on blockchain technology for blocking spam SMSs. And friends, in India, 70% of the SMSs are going through Tanla platform's Tublorg product. And friends, next what I am going to see is the minus for this company is the revenue which is mainly generating from only these SMSs, mainly this tubular product. But friends, what I am going to give you a recent update is uh, Tanla platforms developed a product which work for OTT platforms also, that is Wisely. Tanla platforms partnered with Microsoft to develop this product, and this product is also used for OTT platforms like Netflixes and WhatsApps and Telegram. These type of messages also future encryption modes are enabled, but still the data will taken by hackers. But if you use these blockchain technologies which was developed by Tanla platforms, which is Wisely product, we can insist or curb the attacks of cyber attacks. So friends, this is what I briefly explained about Tanla platforms, and what Troy taken we have to see now. So friends, see here, Troy activates new SMS regulation system. Everything to know, see today. From April 1st onwards, Troy taken this new SMS regulation system. Going forward, it taken a trial run on March 8th of this year, but due to some companies doesn't follow the system and the protocol which was given by Telecom Regulatory Authority of India, some problem occurred on March 8th. So the company, that means the regulation Troy, postponed that system and they activated that SMS new regulation from April 1st this year onwards. See here, for the unaware, the new regulations are a part of Telecom Commercial Communication Customer Preference Regulation order released on 2018 July 18. So with this, some companies faced so much of problems on March 8th of this year. The customers didn't receive their messages while withdrawing money, and some banks also faced issues. Tanla platforms also faced issues on that day. So going forward, what they mentioned, we are going to see now. As per rule, the telecoms will verify and scrub through every SMS that a verified or registered business or institution is trying to send its customers. If the SMS template is not registered, it will be blocked. This is the just introduction of the Troy thing. So the regulatory provision of SMSEs are introduced to reduce the amount of spam and fraudulent messages that are sent to the people of India every day. So friends, the main step for this change and new SMS regulation is to protect customers. So as it is, Indian customers which are using their services from banks or mobile manufacturers, so mobile callers, telecallers, and from anyone, they are want to protect Indians from cyber frauds. And see here, The telcos will leverage a blockchain system to curb through the SMES and will block every message that doesn't fulfill the regulatory obligations. Here, Tanla Solutions plays a key role. These type of products have Tanla Solutions. So here Tanla Solutions will get good benefit. Why? Because the new SMS regulations has been activated since April 1st, 2021 as Troy order. It is worth nothing that last month on March 8th, Troy has interviewed and relaxed the SMS regulations since millions of important messages from business and banks were blocked for the customers. As previously I mentioned, right? So many SMSs are blocked on that day, March 8th. So the see here, the big banks and everyone didn't had not followed the regulations on that day on March 8th. After that, Troy has been forefront asked the business to follow SMS regulations. After that, they implemented on April 1st, and Troy itself mentioned like no major issues with SMS regulations, says Troy. The Troy circular detailed that the operators saw no major issue. That means they implemented on April 1st. Still, they didn't get any issues. So the system is going smooth. So now what we are thinking means that Tanla platforms also taken their products which will be some link with the Troy. So I am expecting somewhat this is plus and negative also. Why? Because friends, if Troy itself taken these type of measures, why customers, that means clients, will use Tanla platforms product? That is one of the concern in my mind, and we have to see this after what you call Q4 results, what company is going to say, and the revenue itself going to show us is that worthy or not. If Troy itself taken the Tanla platforms product, it's an extraordinary step for Tanla platforms for revenue growth, and as usually constant revenue growth we can expect in Tanla platforms. So friends, this is my view on Tanla platforms. If you like our videos, please subscribe my channel, share my channel, friends. Thank you.